What's up, y'all? I am Fabulous Zoe and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Today we'll be doing a Pride Month makeup look. Happy Pride Month to all of the LGBTQIA community. If you like what you see, continue to watch. Do not come for my edges in this video. I'm finna take a nap, and I was not about to do my edges just for this video. Thank you. If by the end of this video I inspire you to try this look, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at FabulousZoe, FABULOUS.ZOE. Thank you. Okay, so I already have my eyebrows done and my eyelids primed with the Maybelline New York concealer in the color, in the number 45 BH Cosmetics Back to Brazil palette. And I'm gonna go into these two yellow shades. I'm gonna blend them into my brow bone as well as my crease. Okay, next I'm gonna take a mixture of these two oranges and I'm gonna put them directly under the yellow and blend it into my crease. Next, I'm going to go into this dark purple and I'm going to blend it into the outer corner of my eye and the crease. To make the purple show up darker, I'm taking some Maybelline New York Master Fix setting spray and spraying the brush with it to be picked up a little more, and it shows up darker on your face. Put it on top of the purple because I kind of blended it out some, so I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna take a little bit of this black color right here and I'm going to barely put it right on the edge of the crease, on the outer corner of the crease, to make this purple a little darker. So now I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color medium beige and an e.l.f. flat eyeliner brush, and I'm going to do a half cut crease. Okay, so I have finished cutting my crease. I blended it out into the purple and I set it with Airspun Loose Face Setting Powder. Okay, so the next color that I'm going to use is going to be this royal blue color right here. And I'm not going to put a lot, I'm just going to put a little bit right on the edge of the purple. When you're putting color onto your cut crease, try to keep it away from the crease so that it can stay as sharp as possible. Back into the purple and put more in the corner to try to make it a little bit darker than the blue is, because I don't want the blue to overpower the purple. Okay, so even though I already started, I'm gonna take this green right here and I'm gonna put it right in front of the blue. I'm going to overlap it on top of the blue. Take this Hard Candy Poppin' Pigments Glitter Stay Glitter Glue, and I'm going to apply it from the corner of my eye all the way to the green. The glitter applied, and now I'm going to take this Bitsy glitter in the color LA. Flat brush. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same to the other eye and I will be back. Okay, so I've done the glitter, and if y'all can hear the rain in the background, sorry, but I ain't re-recording this video, so we gonna deal with it. Okay, so now to make the cut crease a little sharper, I'm gonna go back into the same purple that I used earlier, and I'm gonna go across the top of the cut crease and literally make a line. And I'm taking a flat eyeliner brush to do it. Because I don't want to take away from what's going on, so I'm going to add some lashes. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I'm going to go clean up the sides of my eyes, and when I clean it up, I'm going to do it in a way that makes it look like there's a wing liner when there really isn't. And I'll be back with the finished product. Okay, so this is the final look. I went back in and added more green slightly on top of the glitter to make it pop more. And yeah, honestly, I think I did pretty good. I think this is my best makeup look yet. Too bad I ain't got nowhere to go. Okay, let me try to get a thumbnail. Okay. Lay down, girl, lay down. Far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like because I know you like this look because it's cute. Okay, anyway, like, share, leave a comment down below. Tell me if you like this. Tell me what you would have done differently. Give me any tips on anything that I can do better to improve my skills, and make sure that you subscribe. Thank you kindly. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. so that you can learn how to get cute like me. Girl. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this Pride look. Although I'm not a part of the LGBTQIA community, I support y'all. So I hope you can support me by leaving a like, leaving a comment, and pressing the subscribe button and a notification bell. Thanks for watching.